Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm Clyde Demery and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. Man, today is Saturday. I'm out on the water bright and early. Beautiful bluebird skies this morning. It's all clear. Not a ripple on the water, no more than the ones I'm making. So we're gonna get out here this morning, see if we can catch a few bass today, you guys. Wish me luck. Today, fishing solo, but nevertheless, should be a good one. Let's go. Woo! Alright guys, just got it all the other way. Nice one too. Nice one. It's real nice. Hey guys, been out here grinding all morning. Finally got on one. I ain't even gonna say the size of it. I done had out long enough for me to let it go. Let's get this fat girl back in the water. Goodbye, buddy. Appreciate you for playing. Yes, that's what I'm talking about right there. Woo! Alright guys, just got it all the other way. Nice one too. Nice one. It's real nice. All right, let's get her back in the water. Thanks, buddy. All right, just hooked into something else, you guys. Can't get it up, not yet. Oh, it's a doing both end, man. Yeah, me neither, man. Oh, really? I just got another bowfin, man. So, what's up with these big tail bowfin? Man, this thing pulling the boat around. That was a huge beast right there, boy. That was a huge gar. Oh snap. If this is a bass, he is big. But that don't feel like no bass. That feels like a gar. Got something, y'all. I don't know what this is. Is this a bass? It's like a bass, guys. This looks like a bass. Oh my goodness. If it is, he's nice. He's real nice. How am I gonna get that out? How am I gonna get that out? Okay. I need to get my bait back, though. Hold still, hold still, hold still. I need my bait back. Hold on. Let me get my bait out your mouth. Come here. Let me get that bait out your mouth. Don't do nothing crazy. Man, this thing look treacherous. Hold on. Let me get my bait. You let me get my bait back, you can do whatever you want. Let me get my bait back. Because if I don't get that back, hello?
Hi, can I speak to Mr. Clyde Demery, please?
I think you have him, Mr. Williams. What's going on?
Hi, Mr. Demery. This is your IT specialist. Just calling you regarding your fish finder, and just trying to see how's everything going with that hummingbird that you have.
Man, Patrick, I can drop it right on top of him, man. Man, this is sick, man. I'm serious. This is so sick.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm tussling with a gar. And guess what, man? It picked him right up, man. But I was thinking it was a bass.
Okay.
But, man, I mean, it picked him right up, man. That's, Patrick, this thing is sick, man. I'm serious.
Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. First time you gotta hit the view button.
The view?
Yeah, hit the view button and it'll change. You'll see the different views on.
Man, I kicked. Oh, I got it. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
He just got off, man. He had my crate bait wrapped around his mouth. Guys, I just hooked into something. I don't know what this thing is right here. Oh man, it looked like a gar, man. Look like a gar. Y'all want a gar? Yeah. Steak is huge. Oh my goodness, man, this thing is huge. Oh wow. Oh wow, this thing is huge. I had to show this thing. Well, buddy, you ain't getting off for that. Let's see. Let's get him off. Be still, buddy. All right, goodbye. That was a good fight.